Alright, what's up guys? So, we were at the shop today and we are going to finish up the front end of the drift stang. At least we hope to. That's the goal for today. So, last time we finished everything up, but we couldn't fully weld these in because we ran out of gas for the welder. Jared went and got a new tank for us. But it's a good thing we didn't do that because we actually have to cut those tack welds off, take the bars out, shorten them, and bend this down. Because if you look, it's on a pretty aggressive sloped angle, but it needs to go further down more because I put the hood on yesterday and the hood hits here before the fender, it meets up with the fenders. So that's an issue that we have to fix today before we start making brackets. I also checked to make sure the rad fit in between. Rad fits great. So that's what we're gonna do today. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get the cutoff wheel and the grinder and grind these tack welds off and take these bars out.
So the hood fits now. We bent it a little bit, broke the welds in that corner, and then it bent down, and now it's good. And Rome shortened that pipe. So he's just tack welding everything in place now. Turns out when he has gas, he's actually like not the worst welder.
So bad, dude.
Yeah, terrible, but like not the worst.
Don't
so
show him because the internet doesn't need to see my pretty work.
Also, he's just welding the lower support bars in now. Okay, so Rome's telling me, I just noticed something on his car. He's telling me that those are focus. Fuck. He's telling me that those are factory brake lines off the master cylinder. Look at how they're fucking bent.
I need this.
Look at that garbage. Fuck you, I'm filming content. That's more important.
Yeah, you're filming content that don't matter.
There's no way that's factory. Maybe you guys can tell us in the comments below if that's factory or not. Grinder. Oh, no we don't.
Wow, that was a lucky cut. Look at that. Doing shit by accident.
Whole cars in there. Good amount of work.
Hey, chill. Why are you trying to expose the work that you're doing?
No, you fucked this up, man. It was good before.
What? When it was factory?
The fender, yeah.
Oh.
No, I mean when I did it, it was good. Like you can't even see the lines. It was seamless, I tell you. Just.
Yeah, I need a new fender for that one. That one got hit by the wall.
Clearly.
By the door, a whole bunch.
Rome thinks he needs a new fender.
I do need. I need like 2 new fenders. I need like a whole like car.
New car, yeah.
So, well, just for parts. Okay. Move that there. Turn this on. I'm gonna. Okay. First, I need to put this up. So. Oh my god, my eyes. Wow.
You know, if you close the visor,
I can't hold it, close the visor, and weld.
just shake, do the welder's head nod.
No, that don't work for me.
Oh, you're
I'm not that.
stupid. Fucking figure out an angle.
I'm Trying to see if it's straight.
It's straight. Nothing on this car is straight. Look at that fucking frame. Yep. So Rome's an idiot. He didn't weld it on the car, like I said. He just tacked it like 2 millimeters on either side, and then it bent up because he took it off to weld it on the table. So now nothing fucking fits. And we punched one of the studs through the plate. So we're just gonna run 3 studs on that side because that's clearly the safe decision. So we tried using a drill bit and just boring the hole out a little bit. That didn't work. So we're gonna pie cut the top of the pipe, bend it up, and just weld it together. But you have to move material. You have to make what?
This will remove material.
Sure.
Right? Like, I don't know how much you need.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Is that enough? Yeah, that's fucking sturdy. Yeah, what's that move? Okay, let's. It's going. Where's it going?
I tried to weld.
No. 2. Wait, I'm on.
Wait, what? Too hot. What? No, you're off on that side.
Hold on. Okay, this is what we do. Put this in. No, put this in, and then we can pull it.
Pretty concerning that this is probably how all of the cars are put together. Fuck.
Wow. Are you just gonna weld that back later?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put this side on first.
That'll straighten her right out, you know, it's good enough.
Take that off, the plywood.
You take it off.
That looks kind of level. I'm gonna grab a fender as a reference. Okay, go.
That was fine. Better than it was before. Yeah. Honestly. Like, no, that seriously is. Before it was too something.
Okay. We'll weld this top.
Okay, so we've cut and pie cut and welded. Not really pie cut, we actually just cut a slit. Bent everything, welded. As you can see, she's not going anywhere. What?
Is that thunder?
No, that's me rocking the car with the front clip. Because it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, that just comes right off.
Bang, bracket one.
Well, it's official. The Mustang's no longer street legal. First bracket is put together. We're just welding it on now.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe, baby.
Maybe, baby. Where's the 8?
Came up with it all by myself. Is the gas on?
That's fine, I'll do it.
What? Some bitch says what? What? Fuck! Me. I'm bitch. God damn it. That's never worked out for me one time. Not one time.
I did it that way because it worked before. Oh, this is annoying. Oh my god. You fucking asshole.
Hold on, let me turn it back to what was at. Also, I turned the gas off. Look at that.
That's on there.
Oh.
Now just like one more bracket and the whole front end goes on.
Yeah, but like this is the front end of the car. Like look at it from far away.
Alright, so my camera died, so we didn't end up seeing the end product, but I decided to come back and show you guys because it looks awesome. Voila. Look at that. She looks like a factory Mustang. Everything fits. Panel gaps are freaking pretty mint, honestly, for a car that's gonna be sliding around and stuff, right? And then pop the hood pins. The hood pins sit really tight, which is nice. And the front end's so light right now that when I lift the hood up, it actually tilts the car. So that's pretty good. Bam, there she is. Fits perfectly. Front clip is nice and tight. That corner there for this plastic front clip isn't tight. And the back of the fenders aren't bolted down, so it does move a little bit, but it's still pretty strong. What we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try to make the bash bars push up against the bumper so it has something to kind of relax on. And then worst cases we can just put some zap straps from here to front clip and we're good to go. But yeah, all we had to do was make that bracket there. I'm pretty sure we showed you guys. That one there. We have one in the back behind the strut towers. And then we just had to make this bracket here for the front clip. And this plastic front clip is awesome. Like, I'm so happy that Ford designed it this way, because you crack this, you just get a new one, and it holds the bumper, the headlights, and everything in. So it's literally, you unbolt this, you unbolt two there, front clip, bumper comes off. But me and Jacob realized last time that if you just unbolt that back fender, unbolt that back bolt on the fender, and then unbolt this, the whole front clip will come off. So that's freaking mint. So I'm so happy with the way she came out. And we were worried that the hood pins would have a lot of flex. Not the pins itself, but the plate. But they're actually like really strong on there, so we don't have to worry about when the air hits the hood trying to pull it up and bending those. So that's also good. But oh, I'm so happy with the way she came out. I just can't believe she actually works. Like, not works, but it actually came out half decent. So I'm so happy. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like button, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.